So this is the question number 15 from 2023 midterm morning session paper, and this question comes under the topic user defined function in Python. So in this particular question it has been asked, if any function does not return any value, then in that case what will be the default return value of that particular function. So in order to answer this one, first of all we need to be aware what is the syntax of a user defined function. तो user defined function के अंदर आप बात करो तो it starts with def, then it contains name of the function, then inside the parenthesis we may or may not have parameters. Similarly, when it comes to the returning, we may or may not return any value. Since we are not returning any value, in this case the default value would be the none. Hence for this one, option number C is the correct one. Now, based on the similar concept, you need to answer this one in the comment box. What will be the right answer for it? Okay, guys, then that's it for the day. If you have any doubt regarding this one, feel free to ask in the comment box. Okay, then, thanks for your time.